Our children must be very proud of us. We want our children to come and salute at our graves. And when they go to Zuma's grave, when they go to Ramaphosa's grave, when they go to Makashule's grave, they must pee on that grave and say, here lies the criminals who have delayed the revolution. And next to them, it is the revolutionaries who fought very hard. They were attacked by all types of people. The media came against them. The police came against them. The judiciary came against them. They never wavered. They stood firm. I want to be remembered as a fighter, not as a coward. You must ask yourself a question. What do you want to be remembered for? Standing there, you ought to answer that question yourself and to yourself, not to anyone. If you want to be a coward, the yellow t-shirt is waiting for you. If you want to be remembered as a hero, the red t-shirt of life is waiting for you. The red beret of life is waiting for you. You want to talk to me? You must be prepared upstairs, because there's going to be a problem. So, we must never be made to fear. We must never fear anyone. We must never fear prison. We must never fear death. We must never fear the police. We must never fear the criminals. We must never fear the establishment. We must never fear white people. Wrong is wrong. It must be confronted right there and there because it's wrong. Let's not be scared. We're not a nation of cowards. Yesterday, Ramaphosa spoke about the 1913 Act, which was passed, and the black man woke up in not only as a slave in South Africa, but as a foreigner in South Africa without a land. So this struggle started long before even our parents were born. It's a struggle we've inherited from our parents. It's a struggle we will not compromise until their land is returned into the hands of our people.